Hi, I'm Zach from Garden Theory. Today we're going to be talking about how you can learn more about landscape design in these three simple steps. So landscape design is similar to landscape architecture, but smaller scale, typically residential model. There is good and bad landscape design that you can see all around you, from mulch volcanoes to improperly spaced shrubs and trees to improper maintenance practice. There are many ways that we can see improper landscape maintenance and design around us. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can be an example of positive and efficient landscape design and maintenance strategy. One landscape design tip is not to have any lawn come to the base of any fences or your buildings. This is to prevent the unnecessary maintenance of string trimming along these edges. Instead, have flower beds along your walls and fencing, as to keep the grass away from those areas where mowers cannot reach. This way you can utilize those spaces for flowers, shrubs, vegetable gardens, while having your lawn space in a centralized area. My second tip is to use native plants, shrubs, and trees. If you're not sure what plants are native to your area, there are many resources online that can help you find that out. One such site is wildones.org. This organization has lists of nurseries in your local area that sell native plants, and also showcases several landscape designs with native plants and how they can be used in your own home. My third landscape design tip is to plan for all 4 seasons of the year. Don't just fill your landscape with one type of flower. Instead, get multiple different types. Get black-eyed Susans and asters for the fall, but you can have peonies and tulips in the spring. You can have bee balm and coneflower in the summer. There are many different ways that you can provide interest, even in the winter months with hellebores, witch hazels, and red twig dogwoods. There are many ways to provide seasonal interest to your space. And if you want to learn more about how to create landscape design, I have a whole playlist of full feature-length videos diving into landscape design and various topics. I'll have the playlist listed at the end of this clip. Finally, if you find landscape design to be very challenging with all the very many aspects that you have to consider, from wildlife management to just trying to make your plants survive, I recommend subscribing to this channel because we're going to be talking about landscape design all the time. We're going to be providing tips and tricks and different ways that you can have a beautiful, gorgeous landscape in your own backyard. So my name's Zach, and thank you for watching Garden Theory. And let me know down in the comments any questions you have or any problems you have with your landscape, as we do frequent question and answer videos on this channel. So please comment down your questions and I will answer them in a future video. So thank you for watching Garden Theory, and please subscribe.